this is Hannah here at Fanciful Spaces, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing video of 2 orders from cutcardstock.com that I placed. One was a small little mini order that I placed for myself of some supplies that I needed, and one is part of my design team perks. You get a certain amount of credit to spend at the shop, and so I placed a nice little order with that. And I thought we'd go through both of them and take a look at them. So this is mine that I placed for myself. I believe, let's see if I can get in here. Not those scissors. I have like 1,000 scissors around, and I couldn't find the ones that I wanted at first. Let's see. I believe this one has the basis white in 110 weight. I've used the 80 weight, and I really wanted to see what the 110 weight was. There we go. A cute little note. Cute little handmade face, or little smiley face, a little thank you card from the Cut Cardstock team. Ooh, always a nice little special thing. A pad of paper, you could write your little notes on it. I like that. This is cute. Happy spring. Of course, my rusty trusty receipt. I'll set that aside so I can make sure that I have the correct names. So this is the Curious Metallic Cardstock. You can see, like, specifically right in here, the sheen that it has. This is on the paper. This isn't just the plastic that you're looking at. And I will link in the video to a project or two that I made with a Curious Metallic Cardstock, and I stinking love it. It's this one and this one are my 2 favorite cardstocks that I've explored at cutcardstock.com. So I had to replenish my stash. Here is the Miry Sparkle Glitter Cardstock in silver. Oh my geez, I am in love with this. I will also link to projects that I used this one for. I was desperately running out because I used so much of my cardstock. I have several projects coming up next month using this cardstock, and I super duper loved it. Let me tell you, it die cuts like a dream. I think I have 3 projects coming up with this cardstock. And then this is some pearl textured buttercup. There's a slight sheen to it. You can kind of see it in the video. It's 80-pound cover weight. This was really, really inexpensive because it has another company's code or discount code on the, not discount, scanny code on the back of it. So you can get a lot of really inexpensive, fabulous cardstock using this stuff. I'm going to be making some flowers for a dear friend of mine in this yellow, and I will link in the video to a project that I used using some of their more discounted cardstock. I am able to work around this little space all the time. Never ever notice it. It's really a great deal on cardstock. So now we will go into my design team perks. I was really excited about this because I was able to order some stuff that I hadn't received yet that I had wanted to explore. You can see how well they package everything. Let's cut into these. I needed some A2 sized cardstock, or not cardstock, envelopes. So the Pop Tone paper line is, I don't have my swatch sheet, is a really, really fabulous paper line with a bunch of different colors. And they sell all of the colors in individual packages of 50 or more in the cardstock. And I chose Tangy Orange. Next time I order, I'll probably choose a different color. But I thought Tangy Orange was kind of me. Kind of a little fun thing to see in the mail. And I make a lot of cards, but I just never sent them, so hopefully this will help. Let's see. We got another little note, another little smiley face. It looks like probably the same person packaged up my stuff. A little thank you for choosing us. Another notepad. Super nice. The texture is super smooth. I bet writing on this is going to be crazy nice. Probably my receipt here. Yep. All right. Score tape. Can't get enough score tape. Yes, I ordered this from cutcardstock.com. They have 2 different sizes. I believe they have a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch. I tend to use the 1/4 inch and the 1/8 inch most, but I use the quarter inch a lot. So I had to replenish some of my stash with that. It is like my go-to adhesive. Let's see what we have here. Stuck. So this is some of their discount cardstock. Does not have the little tag on the side. It was a very inexpensive order. Let me see. I can't see. Oh, this was about $6. It's 80 pound. It's got a bit of a texture to it, but it doesn't have any sheen. It's one of my family's favorite colors. My daughter and I love this color. This color I fell in love with, and I just had to get it. The pearl textured in green curry. I love this. You can see some of the sheen on it. It is also an 80 pound cover weight. Love this. Oops. Some settling may occur. More curious metallic cardstock. This is in violet with an interesting spelling. Can you see the sheen? Can't quite see the sheen. I would cut, oh, there we go. I would cut it, but then I'm going to end up, I'm awkward, and I have to be super careful because otherwise I'm a mess. I have Halloween in mind. I am really, really excited to make some Halloween stuff. Some Stardream metallic cardstock. Now, I have not played with this, but the design team members have talked about, those of the few that do have this one, talk about how they love it, and I'm really, really excited to be able to play with it. Look at that sheen. It is so pretty on there. Oh, I'm going to eat it up. Stardream metallic cardstock in flame. I mean, Halloween. How perfect is that going to be? Or we could do fall. Yep, I'm already thinking about fall. I was thinking about some leaf wreaths that I might want to make. So that's why I acquired some of those. Some light brown in the basis cardstock. 80 pound. I really love the basis line a lot. So I was really excited. I have some craft in the discount stuff, but I thought I would mix this in to see how it coordinated. Bonsai. Oh, this has the sticker. You can see right here. Did you see? There we go. The sticker. So this would have been a really inexpensive paper. I like the green. Also, you know, Christmas in July. July is coming up. We might want to start working on our Christmas cards and whatnot. This is the basis white in 110 pound. So I did a couple of projects recently with the 80 pound cover weight. I was really interested to seeing what the 110 weight felt like. So that's that one. And then the last 2 or 3 items. I ordered 2 bundles of 12 by 12 white cardstock in an 80 pound because I want them for scrapbooking bases, just a little white base. Yes, I could totally cut some of my white paper down, but I never do the math right. And I got rid of my Caterpillar Pro when I moved because I had a tonic guillotine trimmer, and I hate it. If I had my color, I don't hate it. I just have a hard time making 12 by 12 paper. If I had my Caterpillar, it would have been a lot easier. So this was a really inexpensive route to go, and I was really excited to be able to play with it. I used to be a scrapbooker years ago. The style has changed a lot, and I'm really excited to start scrapbooking and discovering this new style that's out there. And then I also got some 12 by 12 in rustic craft cardstock. So that is my design team packages and my haul. Definitely check cutcardstock.com out because they have a really great selection. Those Curious Metallics are amazing. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.